everybody, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing great. A very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Pritesh Joshi. I'm your host, your host, and a proud master teacher from Vedantu, welcoming all of you to this session where we are today on the final leg, on the last ultimate session of the space series, where we'll be doing a comparison between the Saturn rings and the Jupiter rings. So welcome to the session, guys. Welcome to the धमाकेदार फराटेदार एंड मजेदार सेशन. आई होप आप सभी बहुत ही बेहतर हैं, सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है. एंड टुडे इज द 15th of December, where we are just 16 days away from the New Year's and just 10 days away from Christmas. So I hope आपकी Christmas and New Year's की तैयारी बिल्कुल जोरों शोरों से चल रही है. I hope you have planned something really grand because guys, it's Christmas, right? So welcome to the session. कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Yes, happy Jupiter. चलो, हाय आर्यन, हेलो, वेलकम गाइस. स्पेस सीरीज अभी और हम कंटिन्यू इसलिए नहीं कर सकते because we have some many more series that are in the pipeline जो हम plan करने वाले हैं. Today at 2:30 we have a meeting, so we are planning many more things to you. A very big surprise is coming very soon. I think within 1 or 2 days, or maybe today also, you will get that surprise. So if you don't want to miss on the surprise, you have to subscribe. तो जिन्होंने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, यार सब्सक्राइब कर लो. It is absolutely free of cost. Right here on the bottom of this video, you can see the logo of the channel. Click on that logo, that is the subscribe button. It's absolutely free of cost. So subscribe to the channel and enjoy watching Vedantu Young Wonders. So let us begin, guys. You know the drill, right? So this is today's schedule basically. So today at 1 p.m. I'll be dealing with Saturn and Jupiter rings. At 5 p.m. Priya ma'am will be dealing with NCERT solutions on diverse and inverse proportions. Then at 6:30 Sundar sir will be meeting you with major landforms of the earth. And at 8 p.m. he'll be telling you the difference between have and have got. And I'll be meeting you sharp at 9 o'clock with Forest, a lifeline grade 7. ठीक है? चलो. So guys, this is the schedule for the day. Please have a look. 1 p.m, 5 p.m, 6:30, 8 and 9 o'clock. Now guys, subscribe कर लो यार. It's absolutely free of cost. Subscribe कर लो, ठीक है? And if you want to learn with me on the Vedantu platform, you've got to go on the link that is given in the description and use the coupon code PRPRO. Basically, Vedantu Pro Subscription is a course which will teach you 4 subjects live classes every day. That is English, Math, Social Studies and Science. 4 subjects live classes, live doubt solving. Plus you get the notes, tests, assignments, study material. Plus, you also get access to more than 5,000 micro courses at Vedantu, and you also get a free preparation for the competitive exams. All of that and a lot more at just rupees 2159 for 1 month. So the actual cost of the course is rupees 2699, but if you use the coupon code PRPRO, the cost becomes 2159. Right? And for 3 months the cost is 6999, but if you use the coupon code PRPRO, you pay just rupees 5599. Now this cost is basically just rupees 11 per day and rupees 9 per day if it's a 3-month course, which is cheaper than a packet of Lays. So you can think about it, take the pro subscription and make your learning more fun and easier. ठीक है? So go on the link that is given in the description and use the code PRPRO. Now, guys, follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. That's my Insta handle. Follow me on Instagram. It's absolutely free of cost. And subscribe to the channel. That is also free of cost. ठीक है? चलो. So guys, today we'll be learning Saturn versus the Jupiter rings. That's me in the astronaut suit. ठीक है? चलो. Now, let us discuss about Saturn. ठीक है? All these questions are going to come in the Menti. So please pay attention. Now, Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. Adorned with the dazzling system of icy rings, Saturn is unique among the planets. With a radius of 36,183.7 miles, Saturn is 9 times wider than the Earth. Right? If Earth were the size of a nickel, Saturn would be a volleyball, which means if Earth is a coin, if Earth is of the size of a coin, Saturn is a volleyball. It is 9 times bigger than the Earth. ठीक है? And Saturn has got beautiful rings around it, and that makes it unique. It is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system, and it is the 6th planet from the Sun. It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So it's the sixth planet. Right? Got it? Chalo. With that, hi Roshni. Now, Saturn has the shortest day in the solar system. The day that is 24 hours on Earth, it is only 10.7 hours on the Saturn. Saturn makes a complete orbit around the Sun in just, okay, so it takes, basically when Earth takes 365 days to orbit around the Sun, Saturn takes 10,756 days to orbit around the Sun. Okay? Now, Earth takes 365 days. Whereas Saturn will take 10,756 days, which is equivalent to almost 30 years on Earth. 1 year on Earth is one revolution around the Sun. 30 years on Earth is one revolution around the Saturn. One revolution of Saturn. Which means, if you are on Saturn right now and I am here, and you meet me after 1 year of Saturn, I would have turned 30 plus years old. Which means if there are two newborn babies, one is born on Saturn and one is born on Earth, after that baby is 1 year old on Saturn, the baby on Earth will be 30 years old. So it's 30 years difference of revolution between the Earth and the Saturn. Saturn has the second shortest day, it is just 10.7 hours, which means 1 day on Earth is 24 hours and 1 day on Saturn is just 10.7 hours. Okay? Which means the Saturn spins really faster. Okay? Now, moving on and talking about the rings of the Saturn. Saturn rings are thought to be pieces of comets, asteroids or shattered moons that broke up before they reached the planet, torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. Saturn's ring system extends up to 1,75,000 miles, that is 2,82,000 kilometers from the planet, yet the vertical height is typically just 30 feet. Currently, Saturn has 53 confirmed moons, 29 additional moons awaiting confirmation. The main rings of the Saturn are A, B, C, D, E, F and G are faint and more recently discovered. So Saturn has got basically 53 moons that are confirmed and 29 which are awaiting confirmation, and the main rings of the Saturn are A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay? So that is about the rings of the Saturn. Now, moving on to talk about Jupiter. So Jupiter is the fifth planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn. So Jupiter comes before Saturn. It is the fifth planet. ठीक है, largest planet in the solar system, twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Means if you take Mercury plus Venus plus Earth plus Mars plus Saturn plus Uranus plus Neptune, this total into 2, Jupiter is still bigger than that. Jupiter is still bigger than that. With a radius of 43,440.7 miles, Jupiter is 11 times wider than the Earth. Saturn was 9 times, Jupiter is 11 times. From an average distance of 484 million miles, Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical units away from the Sun. So Jupiter is 11 times bigger than the Earth. And do you know, some 3,800 Earths can accommodate in Jupiter. Jupiter is so big that almost 3,800 Earths can accommodate in Jupiter. Jupiter is that big. Okay? Now, discovered in 1979 by NASA's Voyager Voyager 1 spacecraft, Jupiter's rings were a surprise as they are composed of small dark particles and are difficult to see except when backlit by the Sun. Data from the Galileo spacecraft indicate that Jupiter ring system may be formed by dust kicked up as interplanetary meteoroids smash into the giant planet's small innermost moons. So basically the rings of the Jupiter, no one can see it because they are so dark. And second thing is, they say that it's basically dust which has occurred because meteors dash on the moons of Jupiter. Jupiter has got some more than 90 moons, and when they dash on the moons of the Jupiter, they turn into dust, and these rings around the Jupiter are basically dust rings. They are so dark that you cannot see them unless and until there is sunlight coming from somewhere, and only then you can see these rings. So Jupiter's rings were recently discovered and they were a surprise for the astronauts, because till date we thought that only Saturn has rings, but Jupiter also has got rings. Okay? Now, Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system. So one of you was asking which planet has the shortest day. So it is the Jupiter which has the shortest day. It is only 10 hours. And it takes 12 years for Jupiter to make complete revolution. Which means if one baby is born on Earth and one baby is born on Jupiter, if they meet after 1 year, the baby on Jupiter would have been 1 year, but the baby on Earth would have been 12 years old. So it is faster than Saturn, but it is definitely slower than Earth. And Saturn has 10.7 hours of one day. When we have 24 hours of one day on Earth, on Saturn it is just 10.7 hours, and on Jupiter it is only 10 hours. So Jupiter is the planet which has the shortest day in the solar system. Right? So Jupiter's environment is probably not conducive to life as we know it. The temperature, pressure and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. So that is why, except Earth, there is no other planet where life can sustain. Talking about Mars, scientists are trying to find life on Mars. So you know what the fact is? Scientists are not actually trying to find life, that is there life, is there life, is there life? No. Scientists are basically trying to find, did life ever exist on Mars? If life ever existed on Mars, means it can exist even today. But if life never existed on Mars, which means Mars is not conducive for life to exist. So scientists are not basically trying to find life, they are trying to find whether life ever existed. If the answer is yes, which means even now there is a possibility that life can exist. But if life never existed on Mars, which means now also it cannot exist. Right? Chalo. So guys, that is it. Now let us quickly go to the Menti. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 9635920. Come on. 9635920 is the code for the Menti. Hi Rishi, Jeevan, Aditya, Priyanshu, good afternoon. Hello Om Pranav, Priyanshu, Shreniki, Manya. Oh, definitely Manya, all the very best for your examinations. All the very, very, very best. Okay. So, hi Rishi, Subrat, Tushar, Sahana, Saloni, Shiva Reddy, Sunil Kumar, Jehan. Thank you Roshni, God bless you. Tushar Bhatt, Hemant. Thank you Yash, Geetha, Sham, Devjit. Devjit, subscribe to the channel, सब हो जाएगा ठीक लाइफ में. Hi Hemant, Shreniki. Chalo, quick, very quick. Hi Ashutosh, it is 9635920. Quickly go to www.menti.com and use the code 9635920. Come on. Come on. Okay, hi Simran. Chalo, quick, very quick. Yes, Fani, tell me hi Kajal, presents everything, okay. Hi Simran, chalo. So guys, let us see how many of you have joined. The code is 9635920. Right? So we have got only 130 students have joined, guys. Quickly join, come on. 9635920 is the code for the Menti. Nine six three five nine two zero. Come on, quick, very quick. Chalo. Yes. So guys, I'm starting the Menti now. ठीक है, चलो let us start. Here comes the players on the screen. Okay, so I'm starting it now. Here is the first question. First question coming on your screen. Jupiter is the dash planet from the sun. What is the number of Jupiter? What is the number of Jupiter? First, second, third, first, second, fourth, fifth. What is the number of Jupiter? Very easy peasy quiz. Very, very easy peasy quiz. What is the number of Jupiter? First, second, fourth or fifth? Very easy question. Come on, I want 200 students in the mentee. Quick, quick, very quick. Guys, that's why I tell you subscribe. That's why I tell you subscribe. Very good, very nice. Come on, very nice. Very good. 160 plus students have joined the have given the correct answer. Guys, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. It is the fifth planet. Chalo, looking at the leaderboard. So we have got Evan, Harsh, Zlatan, Joshua, Devjit, Ayushi, Dhiraj, Johnny, Liana and Bhavya. Dr. Evan is the fastest. That's amazing. 199 students are there in the mentee. There is a tie between Ayushi and Dhiraj. There is a tie between Zlatan and Joshua. There is a tie between Devjit and Ayushi and Dhiraj. There is a tie between Johnny and Liana as well. And Dr. Evan is leading the leaderboard with just 1 point. So guys, keep it up, play faster, play wiser. Here comes the second question. Second question coming on your screen now. Please read it carefully. What type of planet is Jupiter? Jupiter is what kind of a planet? Jupiter is gas giant, ice giant, hot giant, none of these. You learned about it when we were talking about Jupiter. You learned about it. Come on, come on, come on. Quick, 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 very quick. There you go, there you go, there you go. That's great. Chalo. Chalo, 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 chalo. Come on. That's great. So guys, only 139 students got it right that Jupiter is a hot gas giant planet, right? Chalo, which takes me to the leaderboard, and we have got Joshua, Aditya, Devjit, Abhay, Naresh, Renik, Tarun, Pikachu, Aradhya, Aditya and Sushmi. Hi Abhay, Naresh, thank you so much dear, thank you so much, God bless you dearest for putting, considering yourself as my fan, but thank you so much, really means a lot to me. God bless you always. Take care. With that, keep playing faster. Joshua is leading the leaderboard. We have a tie between Pikachu, Abhay and Shrenik. We have a tie between Aradhya and Tarun. And that's it. Joshua is leading the leaderboard with 4 points. Chalo. Which takes me to the third question. The third question coming on your screen. And that is, around how long is a day on Jupiter? You know that Jupiter has the shortest day. Jupiter has the shortest day. So how many hours is it? 8, 10, 12, 24. Quite easy. 8, 10, 12 or 24. How many hours is the Jupiter? How many hours is a day on Jupiter? On Earth it's 24 hours. Okay. Very well, very nice. Chalo. Very well. That's great. So we have got 130 plus students correct that it is only 10 hours. Jupiter is the planet with the shortest day, 10 hours, and Saturn has got 10.7 hours. Okay? It is the largest planet on the earth, that is Jupiter. On the leaderboard, we have got Joshua, Aditya, Devjit, Abhay, Shrenik, Harsh, Bhuv, Rishik and Shriyansh. Hi Rishik, thank you so much. Hi Rishik, God bless you. So Abhay and Devjit, they both are the fastest. There's a tie between Devjit and Joshua. There's a tie between Rishik and Bhuv. And Aditya is leading the leaderboard with 1 point. Come on guys, buck up. Play faster, harder, wiser. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Looking at the fourth question now. Chaliye, fantastic. 4. Saturn is what number planet? Saturn is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Very good, you know the answer. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So what is the number of Saturn? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Very good, very nice. रात को खाओ घी दाल and rice. ठीक है? चलो quick, very quick. Very nice, very nice, very nice. That's amazing. Chalo. Very good. So we have got more than 170 students correct that it is the 6th planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. 6th planet. Okay? Looking at the leaderboard for this one, we have got Aditya, Joshua, Devjit, Abhay, Aditya, Shrenik, Harsh, Shriyansh, Bhavya, Saptajit. I think Aditya, okay, Joshua is leading the leaderboard with just 1 point. There's a tie between Aditya and Shrenik. And that's all. So Joshua is leading with 1 point. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Faster, faster, faster. Okay? Famous 5. The 5th question. Saturn is dash largest planet in the solar system. Largest, second largest, third largest, fifth largest, fourth largest. What largest? Third, second, fourth or fifth? We know Jupiter is the largest. So what? Hi Shriya. Okay, Sham, the Menti code is 9635920. It is there on the screen as well. It is there on the screen as well. Come on. Yes, very good. Lovely. Vinitab. Kumari. Very good. That's great. Hi Suraj. Absolutely, you're correct. So, it is the second largest planet. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter and Saturn is the second largest planet. Which brings me to the leaderboard again. Sorry, to the last question. Acha, leaderboard, sorry. So Joshua, Devjit, Aditya, Shrenik, Harsh, Abhay, Saptajit, Bhavya and Rishik. And Devjit, wow, now Devjit is leading the leaderboard with 3 points. There is a tie between Abhay and Saptajit. Come on, come on, come on, buck up. Harsh is the fastest for this question. And let us do this fix because this is question number 6. Chalo, last question. Hi Dhatrik. Hello, hi Aditya Goel. Hello. Chalo. 1 day on Saturn takes how many hours? I told you this when we were discussing Jupiter. That how many hours does day take on Saturn? Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's great, that's amazing. Chalo, quick, very quick. So, 127 students are correct about it that Saturn has just 10.7 hours of a day. And this brings me to the leaderboard. Devjit, Joshua, Aditya, Shrenik, Aditya, Saptajit, Abhay, Bhavya, Rishik, Athar. And we have got Devjit as the fastest and Devjit as the winner of the Menti. Come on, amazing Devjit. I think Devjit, with me, you are coming for the first time on the leaderboard. Congratulations Devjit. You did the top in the finale of the Space Series session. Congratulations and celebration. That's a great job Devjit. Keep it up. Great job. Chalo, amazing. Now guys, moving back to the slides. So guys, if you want to learn with me personally, you can take the Vedantu Pro Subscription, which is available with the link in the description, and the discount code is PRPRO. Apart from that, you just have to pay rupees 2159 for a 1-month subscription after using the code PRPRO. Otherwise, the cost is 2699. So use the code and take the benefit, and you're actually paying cheaper than a packet of Lays. So that is great. Use the coupon code and follow us on Telegram. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel because it's absolutely free. So right here on the bottom, you can see the logo of the channel. Over here, you can see the logo of the channel. That is the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel and I'll be waiting for you at 9 PM today where I'll be meeting you live. So see you live at 9 PM today. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up and do not forget to sanitize and smile because you have to spread the smile, not the virus. Looking forward to see you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.